How has your investment banking experience helped you become a more strategic thinker?
Oddly enough, I have an empathy for markets and for that process, which is not something, people don't cry over investment banking, like over the challenges they face and so forth. But having come into the workforce in that kind of a role, I understand how limited they are in their ability to sort of really understand an industry and its problems and its dynamics. They're on the other side of a public company. They can't have a lot of the information that I get to have or have gotten to have working in industry at Dell or working to solve new problems like we do at Frog. Investment bankers don't have that sort of level of insight. So, and I think it's so key to understand how value is kind of determined, how it's evaluated on that kind of market side, and its limitations. And so understanding how markets kind of think, I now can bring a perspective, I guess, throughout this arc that wouldn't necessarily be represented very well in terms of just understanding in a depersonalized world where everything is truly based on fundamentals, this is how a market is going to think about something.
Yeah.
And therefore, it's a little bit easier to sort of convince others, that there are choices that you might have to make and ways you're going to have to position something that are sometimes market-centric as well.